there everyone, my name is Daniel and today I'm joined by my good friend Andreas, who is the
sales rep in Denmark for G.LOOMIS.
Yeah, exactly. So if you haven't guessed it, today we're going to talk about one of the G.LOOMIS lines of rods. Today we're going to talk about the NRX Plus, which is a full-blown Loomis rod and probably one of the rod series that Loomis has developed on their own that has continued for the longest time.
Yeah.
So this is, this is basically a rod that has been built on for generations. This is Loomis, one of Loomis's top series of rods, and it's available both in the two-handed versions, which me and Andreas have been fishing with for these past couple of days.
Yeah.
On this trip, but also in a one-handed rod. It's probably the most extensive of the Loomis family rod series, in that it's available in quite a lot of different lengths and quite a lot of different classes, both 9 feet and some 10 feet, from all the way from 3 up to 12, right, in the one-handed series, and from 5 up to 9 in the two-handed, right?
Yeah.
The rod I'm holding here is my own personal rod that I've been using quite a lot these past couple of years. This is the 13.3 7 weight, and it's I must say it's one of the most ideal rods I've been using for the Danish salmon and sea trout fishing. When you fish with a two-handed rod, it has a really light, really strong blank, and it just performs exceedingly well also in wind. So the NRX Plus is definitely one of the rods that we sell quite a lot of at Nordic Anglers, and we were really pleased when we got the opportunity to sell these again.
I was also.
Yeah, yeah, because Loomis had been out of the Danish market for quite some time.
Yeah.
And then they decided to hire you and get you as a sales rep, and to kind of pick up the brand and really
try to do something about it again.
Yeah, distribute it themselves, right?
Yeah, together with the right persons, of course.
Yeah.
And now we are here.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. We picked up Loomis a couple of years, maybe 2 years ago, I think, from this date, and we were very pleased with this because Loomis is one of the brands that really was missing in the market. For some reason, it was quite difficult to get them in all of Northern Europe. So we were very happy that you gave us the opportunity, Andreas, because there is a lot of people out there who really fancy the Loomis rod, and I understand why. I was a bit surprised by the level of commitment that a lot of people have to your brand, because what I see with Loomis is that the base of people who buy these, a lot of them very often try a Loomis rod and then are so pleased with that rod that they actually over time switches out quite a lot of their rods and then primarily becomes, die-hard Loomis fans, and I understand that.
Yeah, and that's also what it is. It's not only a fishing rod, but it's also a very big brand that you are a little bit maybe committed to.
Yeah. Yeah, we see that a lot.
Yeah,
we see that a lot. Some years ago in Denmark, on the biggest fly fair in Denmark, Loomis showed up on these fairs, and they had their own tattoo artist tagged along, and then you could get a free Loomis tattoo of the skeleton fish logo. And so I have quite a lot of friends who actually have committed so far that they have that as well.
Do you have one?
No, I don't.
Oh,
do you?
Okay. Maybe.
You'll have to show me later.
Yes, then. I know.
But overall, the NRX Plus is available in two-handed versions, in single-handed versions for light trout fishing, but also in a saltwater version from 7 weight and up, I think.
Yeah, up to 12 weight.
Yeah. And as I said, also in 9.5 and in 10 feet. This is a 10 feet 5 weight, which is my colleague Martin's go-to sea trout river rod, and I've fished this quite a lot of times as well, and I am also very impressed. They're light, they're strong, they're durable, and they just perform really outstandingly well. So the Loomis NRX Plus is a very, very nice rod. We have them in stock, and if you're on the lookout for your new next fly rod, then perhaps you should consider a G.LOOMIS NRX Plus.